Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a requested video. A friend of mine requested me to do a Alia Bhatt inspired makeup look. Now she asked me to do the look inspired from her attire and her makeup in Dear Zindagi. So that's what I have done. This is a very natural and very no makeup look. This is very effortless and looks like you've only tried to enhance your natural beauty, and that's you'll never look like you have a ton of makeup on if you're wearing this look. Now you don't have to necessarily work with the same colors I have worked with. You can use any color according to your own skin tone and preference here. So I think that's it. And also, since this is the Valentine's Day week, you can totally wear this look to your date on Valentine's Day too, because I did upload a more dramatic look for Valentine's Day, and not everybody likes to look that dramatic on a date. Some people really do prefer a more effortless, more natural look, which only enhances their natural beauty on a date. So this is the kind of look you'll want to wear. So this is also a Valentine's Day look, if you guys will. So that, I think that's it, and this is already a very long intro. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please do thumbs it up, and also share this video with your friends and family and everybody else, because that will really support me. And if you guys have any questions or any other video requests, please do comment down below and I'll surely be responding to them. And I guess that's it. Let's move on to the video. So I'm starting off by moisturizing my face, and I'm using the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer to do it. I'll be dotting it all over my face and I'll be massaging it in with my fingers. I'll let that sit for a while before I go on with any more makeup. So to prime my skin for the makeup, I'm using this Kiss Beauty Green Makeup Fix, and then going over with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation only in the areas I need it. Now Alia Bhatt had very minimal makeup in Dear Zindagi, but she also had a very even skin tone, and that is the kind of look I'm going for. And to make it look as natural as possible, I'll be blending it out with a beauty sponge instead of a brush or anything. Now this is the first layer, and then I'll go in with another layer just under my eyes to counteract the dark circles and also make it look natural as possible, because that is the goal here, since this makeup look is inspired from Dear Zindagi. So again, I'm blending the foundation underneath my eyes with my sponge, and then I'll be going in with another layer, and to do that I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, that too just in the extreme problem areas of my face. I'm using it in the shade Sand underneath my eyes and around my nose. And again, first I'll be spreading it out with my fingers and let the warmth of my fingers help to melt it in, and then I'll go over with the sponge to make it look a lot more seamless than it was looking when I had blended it out with my fingers. Take your time with blending, because this is what's gonna give you that flawless, effortless look. So setting the areas I applied concealer to, I'm using this Maybelline White Superfresh Compact in the shade Shell, and I'm using a paddle brush to set under my eyes, around my nose, and a little bit around my mouth. I'm being light-handed with it so as to not make it look cakey on my face at all. For the brows, I'll be using a brow powder because I think it looks most natural that way. I'm using a spoolie brush to comb out my brows and an angled brush to fill them in. Now, Alia Bhatt is naturally bushy brows, so that is the kind of look I'm going for. This is not how I generally fill in my brows, but for the sake of this look, I filled them in a lot more unruly way than I generally do. And to be honest, I really like how it turned out. I am now, both my brows are done, and I'll be moving on to the eyes, and I'm using this contour shade on a fluffy brush to apply to the eyes. Now she has a very natural warm shade on both her eyelids and in most of the looks, so that is what I'm going for. So to do that, first I went over with a brown wash of color, and now I'm going over with a matte black wash of color along the lash line to define the waterline and the lash line. And then I am carving out my brows and also cleaning them up using this white powder on a flat brush along my brows. Now I repeated the same steps on the lower lash line too, and this is how the eyes turned out, and I quite like them for a more natural everyday look. Here I'm curling my lashes using this eyelash curler, and all the things I use will be mentioned in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. For mascara, using the CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom Mascara. Now this is a very natural fluttery looking mascara, and that is what you want to go for this kind of a look. Also, you should keep in mind that this look, a celebrity inspired look, is to imitate the look and the feel of the person and not the products that I use or anybody else shows you to use. Like Alia Bhatt has a lot of blush on her cheeks, a very healthy pinky glow, which is not very natural because she has a lot of it on, but we're doing it anyway. Also, she has slight chisel just next to the ear, a very sharp chisel, but not a all over bronzed feel on her face. So that's what I have imitated again. I'm brushing my entire face with a wash of highlighter, and you don't want to concentrate the highlighter in any single portion of your face. You want to give the entire face a good nice glow all over. Look at the motions I'm using to understand what I'm saying. Here again, to complete this look, I'll be using this dusty pink shade from the Ili 18 Colourpops range. Now this shade is an amazing natural shade for my skin tone, so you gotta find a shade for your skin tone and apply it very lightly to the lips and blend it in with your fingers. Now this completes the look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do thumbs it up. And also, if you guys have any requests at all, please do comment down below and I'll respond to them. And also share this video as much as you can, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.